I like weekends. I like weekends. Weekends are Saturday and Sunday. Weekends are Saturday and Sunday. On weekends, I don't go to school. Weekends are Saturday and Sunday. I have more free time. I have more free time. I can rest and do my hobbies. I can rest and do my hobbies. On Saturday, I wake up a little later. On Saturday, I wake up a little later. I get up at 8 o'clock. I get up at 8 o'clock. I wash my face and brush my teeth. I wash my face and brush my teeth. Then I eat breakfast. Then I eat breakfast. I usually eat bread, eggs, and cheese. I usually eat bread, eggs, and cheese. I drink tea or juice. I drink tea or juice. After breakfast, I help my parents. After breakfast, I help my parents. Sometimes I clean my room. Sometimes I clean my room. Sometimes I help my mother in the kitchen. Sometimes I help my mother in the kitchen. Helping at home makes me feel good. Helping at home makes me feel good. In the afternoon, I often meet my friends. In the afternoon, I often meet my friends. We go to the park. We go to the park. We walk and talk together. We walk and talk together. Sometimes we play football. Sometimes we play football. We run and laugh a lot. We run and laugh a lot. After playing, we sit on a bench. After playing, we sit on a bench. We eat ice cream. We eat ice cream. We drink cola or juice. We drink cola or juice. In the evening, I go back home. In the evening, I go back home. I have dinner with my family. I have dinner with my family. After dinner, I sometimes watch TV. After dinner, I sometimes watch TV. I like comedy shows. I like comedy shows. I also watch movies with my family. I also watch movies with my family. Sometimes we watch cartoons. Sometimes we watch cartoons. We eat popcorn while watching. We eat popcorn while watching. At 9 o'clock, I read a book. At 9 o'clock, I read a book. At 10 o'clock, I go to bed. At 10 o'clock, I go to bed. I sleep well on Saturday night. I sleep well on Saturday night. On Sunday, I wake up early again. On Sunday, I wake up early again. I get up at 7 o'clock. I get up at 7 o'clock. I eat breakfast with my family. I eat breakfast with my family. After breakfast, we clean the house. After breakfast, we clean the house. My father cleans the living room. My father cleans the living room. My mother cooks in the kitchen. My mother cooks in the kitchen. I clean my bedroom. I clean my bedroom. My sister cleans her toys. My sister cleans her toys. Cleaning is not very fun. Cleaning is not very fun, but it is important. But it is important. On Sunday afternoon, we often visit my grandparents. On Sunday afternoon, we often visit my grandparents. They live in a small village. They live in a small village. We go there by car. We go there by car. My grandparents are always happy to see us. My grandparents are always happy to see us. My grandmother cooks tasty food. My grandmother cooks tasty food. My grandfather tells funny stories. My grandfather tells funny stories. We eat together at a big table. We eat together at a big table. We talk and laugh a lot. We talk and laugh a lot. Sometimes we take photos together. Sometimes we take photos together. In the evening, we go back home. In the evening, we go back home. At home, I do my homework. At home, I do my homework. I read and write in my notebook. I read and write in my notebook. Sometimes I study English. Sometimes I study English. I also prepare my school bag. I also prepare my school bag. I put books and notebooks inside. I put books and notebooks inside. I go to bed at 9 o'clock. I go to bed at 9 o'clock. I sleep well and dream. I sleep well and dream. My weekend is always nice. My weekend is always nice. I have time to rest. I have time to rest. I have time for my friends. I have time for my friends. I have time for my family. I have time for my family. I love my weekends very much. I love my weekends very much.